get ready for this week's spelling test. Can you write number 1 all the way up to number 20 in your book so that you're ready? Press pause and press play when you're ready to go. Now, remember, this week we've been looking at past tense verbs. And we remembered the rule. We double the consonant before we add ed. So, make sure that all of your letters have a double letter in the middle. Top tip. Number 1. Chatted. I chatted to my friend as we waited for the bus. Chatted. Don't forget that double letter. Pause the video if you need more time. Number 2. Chopped. I chopped the tree down. Spell chopped. Number 3. Clapped. I clapped my hands to the music. Spell clapped. Number 4. Dragged. I dragged my cat on the ground. That's a funny sentence, Miss Clark. Dragged. If you drag something, maybe not a cat. Dragged. Number 5. Dripped. The rain dripped down the windowsill. Spell dripped. Number 6. Dropped. I dropped my lunch on the floor. Spell dropped. Number 7. Grabbed. I grabbed my bag on the way to school. Spell grabbed. Number 8. Hopped. I hopped on one foot. Spell hopped. Number 9. Hugged. I hugged my mum before I went to bed. Number 10. Planned. I planned my birthday party. Spell planned. Number 11. Popped. I popped the balloon. Spell popped. Number 12. Rubbed. I rubbed my sore knee. Spell rubbed. Number 13. Skipped. I skipped across the playground. Now, before we go on to the next words, I want you to pause for just a second to have a look through your spelling so far. Do you see that every word ends in ed? Do you also notice that you have a double letter in every word? If you don't have a double letter, or if your words don't end in ed, maybe take the time to see if you can correct them now. Every letter has a double consonant, ed. Okay, ready for the final part of the test? This time we're going to look at homophones. So it's really important that you're listening to my sentence so you know which word I am explaining to you. Are you ready? Number 14 is there, but listen closely to which there it is. They're going to get in trouble. They're going to get in trouble. Number 15. Again, another there, but listen closely to the sentence. Their football was kicked over the fence. Think about who the football belongs to. Their football was kicked over the fence. Number 16. Go over there. How do you spell that, there? There is the word. Go over there. Hint, it's a place. Let's have a reflection before we go on to our next homophones. Number 14 was there. Think about they are. Number 15 was there, when the football belongs to somebody. Think about when it belongs to somebody, what there we use. And number 16 was a place. Go over there. Just double check to make sure you're confident. Okay, are you ready for the last set of homophones? Number 17 is where. Where are you going? Where? Think about it, it's a place. Where are you going? Number 18. They were really naughty. Spell were. They were really naughty. Spell were. Number 19. We're going on holiday. We're going on holiday. Spell we're. And your last spelling is where. I will wear my favourite jumper. Spell wear. Well done, everyone. Let's go and mark our spellings now. Remember, you might want to listen to me as I spell out the words, or you might want to pause the video and have a look at your screen to see if their spellings are the same as the ones on your piece of paper. Number 1 was chatted. C-H-A-T-T-E-D. Number 2 was chopped. C-H-O-P-P-E-D. Number 3 was clapped. C-L-A-P-P-E-D. Number 4 was dragged. D-R-A-G-G-E-D. Number 5 was dripped. D-R-I-P-P-E-D. Number 7 was dropped. D-R-O-P-P-E-D. Number 7 was grabbed. G-R-A-B-B-E-D. Number 8 was hopped. H-O-P-P-E-D. Number 9 was hugged. H-U-G-G-E-D. And number 10 was planned. P-L-A-N-N-E-D. Have you got all of your double consonants so far? Number 11 was popped. P-O-P-P-E-D. Number 12 was rubbed. R-U-B-B-E-D. Number 13 was skipped. S-K-I-P-P-E-D. On to our homophones now. I wonder if you got the right spelling for the right sentence. Number 14 was there. This there is the same as saying they are. T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. Number 15, there. This there is if something belongs to somebody, like their football. T-H-E-I-R. Number 16, there. If something is over there, a place. T-H-E-R-E. Number 17, where. Again, it's a place. Where are you going? W-H-E-R-E. Were, like they were, or the children were. W-E-R-E. We're. This is short for we are. Like we're going on holiday. W-E apostrophe R-E. And number 20, wear, if you wear something. W-E-A-R. How did you do? Mark your work and write your score out of 20 so your teacher can see it nice and clearly. Reflect on the spellings that you got correct and any mistakes you may have made. Once you've corrected all of your spellings, choose 5 of your trickiest spellings and see if you can write them in sentences. Remember, if you've got 20 out of 20, then choose the words that you think you're most likely to forget in the future. Which words could you have extra practice on just to make sure that you are super confident? Well done, everyone!